Hello everyone, welcome back to another STEM House video. Continuing on our problem, we'll go through a bit more of a complicated way of doing this, or a second way of doing this. So let's say that we didn't know that 1 is equal to 4. Measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 4. Let's say we didn't know that. So how would we solve? Well, we have this given here. Measure angle 1 equals measure angle 2. Alright, fair enough. So, again, 3x equals 60. And x equals 20. Right from the last video. But we can't be sure that these two are both the same. Well, how can we prove that both of these are the same? Well, let's say that we knew that measure angle 2 and 5 are the same. Measure angle 6 and 3 are the same, but we weren't sure that measure angle 1 was the same. So let's say we go through this process, right? So if measure angle 1 and 2 are both the same, pause this video. How would we be able to find measure angle 6 using the horizontal green line? So how we first tackle this is, instead of writing x, we use 3x. And I'll show you what I mean. So measure angle 6 is going to be a variable here. And the reason why we're doing this, we'll incorporate measure angle 3 for this, is equal to, measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 2, so 60 plus 60. And that is equal to 180. Every single line that is green, every single line that is straight or ever been straight is always 180 degrees this way, 180 degrees the other way. It doesn't matter. So we can use a bit of algebra and we can solve. So 60 plus 60 is 120. So measure angle 6. Measure angle 6 is equal plus 120 is equal to 180. Subtract 120 from both sides. This cancels out. 180 minus 120 is 60 degrees. And measure angle 6 is equal to 60 degrees. Cool. And so now we know if this is 60, then this also has to be 60. And so measure angle 5 also has to be 60. Just by looking at this, we know that measure angle 1 is equal to measure angle 4, but let's say we're still skeptical. We can use the other pair of complementary angles. Complementary means equal to 180. So we can use measure angle 5 plus measure angle 4 plus measure angle 3 is also equal to 180. So let's dip down a little bit here. So here, let's use a purple color. So measure angle 5 is 60, which we looked at before, plus x plus y plus 60 equals 180. And we know that from the beginning of the problem that x equals 20. So 60 plus 20 plus y plus 60, I know it's a mouthful, is equal to 180. 180. And then we can simplify this. 60 plus 60 is 120. 120 plus 20 equals 140. Y plus 140 equals 180. Subtracting 140 from both sides, y equals 40. So if this is a multiple choice, which it is, C is going to be our answer. So no matter what method you did, the easy one or hard one, just by using the principles of both algebra and geometry, you would be able to solve this problem. And I hope that's helpful.